yapping. No yapping. No yapping.
Huh? Is that her name?
No, Sophia.
How does Cookie get along with it?
Oh, they romp around and run in the yard, and then, you know, they play. They love each other. Right? But you're not going to jump out of here right now. No, I said no barking. Come here. Oh, there you go. Stop and calm down. She's only, what is she, 7 months?
What's the dog's name again?
Ouch! Sophia.
Sophia.
Stay still. Shh.
Hey, Cookie. How you doing? Hey, meet this new dog that Lisa has.
Okay. I'm in. Better.
Oh, yeah. Good morning.
Hi, darling.
How are you?
Lovely. Hi, Cookie Doodle. Hi, sweet one. Hi.
Oh, yeah,
Tell
she
me her
was
name again.
Sophia.
Sophia.
Think it's Sophia Loren.
There we go.
Stinky butt.
Yeah, how you, man?
I'm doing good,
Yes, sir.
She's just about 7 months.
She was born March 28th. Yep.
Okay.
Mwah. She's going for her first grooming. Boy, did they went nuts at the veterinarian for her ears.
Oh, yeah?
Because, well, I hope when the hair is trimmed, they won't
Cookie, come on.
Of that.
We'll have to cut the fire off.
Probably. That'd be safest. I mean, I've done it without. But
I gotta go down the basement. Somebody's going to have to stay at the basement.
I'll do whatever you
They'll
need.
tell me when it's off.
It's in the video, guys. So, hope you enjoyed seeing this new dog named Sophia. So, hey guys.
Turn them all off.
Alright guys, drop a like on this video if you liked it.
Do what?
Drop a like on this video if
How
you...
do I do that? Just say it?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. I really
Hope
like
you
it.
met this new dog named Sophia.
I think
We've got this one on YouTube plenty.
Do you really?
Just not this one.
Stop. She's so excited.
Drop a like on this video if you like it. We'll see you guys. Cookie, what are you up to? Alright, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Peace out.